Hi everybody and welcome to Tunes with Tara. Today we are going to be learning the song Little Puppet, and I've got my little puppet Alan, the alien, here to help us. Isn't that right, Alan? Yes, Alan's going to be singing back to me. Here I am, here I am. He's also going to be bobbing in time to the steady beat. Do you think that your puppet can do that too? Can you show me? Amazing, well done. We're going to be singing this song through 4 times. The first and second time, our puppets, really it's us, are going to be replying with here I am or here I am, and we're going to bob them up and down as we say it. The third and fourth times we're going to sing the whole song together. However, on the last time I'm going to hand it over to you to sing on your own. Do you think you can do that? I think you can. Okay then, let's get ready. We can sing the whole song together, and we're going to take our puppet and see if we can bob it up and down in time to the steady beat. Well done everybody. Let's all sing it together. Here we go. Little puppet, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Well done! That was amazing. You're ready to sing on your own. Off you go. Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Well done, everybody! Amazing!